guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best dog treat brand that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Pet Botanics Training Rewards Treats for Dogs. Pet Botanics Training Rewards are our top choice for near all dogs, as the soft, bite-sized treats contain just 3 calories each. They come in several flavors, including bacon, salmon, chicken, and beef, and they're also a great value with around 500 treats in every bag. These training treats are made in the USA, and the main ingredient in them is real pork liver. They're made with a special blend of botanical ingredients, and they're free from BHA, BHT, soy, and ethoxyquin. The small size and soft texture is ideal for training, but we're betting your dog will happily accept them as an everyday treat, as well. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Verbac Set VEGGIEDENT Tartar Control Chews for Dogs. This treat doubles as a toothbrush for your dog. Verbac dental chews are designed to help reduce tartar and plaque buildup on your dog's teeth. This is a product that has proof and research behind it for what it claims it does, Crow said. It says that it's formulated to prevent plaque and tartar buildup, and it has met the Veterinary Oral Health Council testing standards to meet these claims. They come in a stick form that cleans your dog's teeth as they chew. Made from plant-based materials, these chews are especially good for dogs who are sensitive to animal protein. Dr. Jamie Wittenberg, DVM, veterinarian director at Senior Tail Waggers, tells people the chews are her favorite because they are yummy and satisfying for your dog, and approved by the Veterinary Oral Health Council, VOHC, to remove both plaque and tartar. She says to make sure you give your dog the right size as they have to chew on it for best effectiveness. If it's too big, they might not finish it. Note that this treat is designed for maintaining healthy teeth, and it does not replace dental check-ins with a veterinarian. At number 3, we have the Kong Dog Treat Paste. As dog owners, we often need practical treats that can serve as time-consuming distractions for our dogs. Enter sprayable Kong Treat Paste. This treat paste comes in an easily sprayable can that can have multiple uses. Minkowski recommends filling a rubber Kong with the paste and freezing it for a treat that will occupy your dog for hours. Crow suggests spraying some on a mat for your dog to lick during unpleasant tasks, such as baths, nail clips, and vaccinations at the vet. A big thing owners don't realize is that a lot of times mental stimulation is more tiresome than physical stimulation for our pets, so having them have to work for their treats and toys, Kong really comes in handy for this, Crow said. The sprays also come in a variety of flavors, including one for puppies that is designed to be gentle on sensitive stomachs. At number 2, we have the Zesty Paws Allergy Immune Supplement for Dogs. Much like people, older dogs tend to have more health issues, says Dr. Ochoa. She recommends this allergy immune supplement as a daily treat of sorts for your dog, and in supporting their immune system, it can make them feel better from any temporary ailment, which is a bonus. Giving them an immune treat can help boost their immune system and help them fight infections, says Dr. Ochoa. It includes a blend of probiotics and immunity support, as well as proven ingredients like salmon oil, known for heart health and making your dog's skin and coat silky smooth. A lot of these same ingredients help with allergies, making it an ideal addition to your dog's routine during seasonal changes or environmental changes, such as moving to a new city with your pet. And finally, at number 1, we have the Eukanuba ACTIVTrainer Dog Treats. Looking for a low-calorie treat to help your dog lose weight? The Eukanuba ACTIVTrainer Dog Treats are one of the lowest calorie options you'll find, containing less than 2 calories per treat. These salmon-flavored treats were formulated with nutritionists to ensure your dog's health comes first, and they're ideal for both puppies and adult dogs. Salmon is the first ingredient in these low-calorie treats. There's a chicken flavor available, as well, and they contain DHA for healthy brain function and a healthy coat. Point 2. The bite-sized form makes them easy for dogs to eat, and because they contain so few calories, you can use them while doing repetitive training with your pooch. They're soft, but don't crumble too much.
Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.